Number 1. Number 2. Number 3.
Hi guys! Welcome to Ball Family Channel, and if you are new to our channel, please do hit the subscribe button and don't forget the notification bell para updated po kayo sa aming mga susunod na video. Today is a rainy day and the weather is not good, but I love rain. Enjoy the beauty of the universe. Okay. So, green. Nandito ako sa rooftop, kaya nandito ako sa heaven. Nasa heaven ako. Wow. What a relaxing day today, and I feel so sleepy. No thunderstorm, kaya nandito ako sa labas. Ayan ang ano namin, mango. Kaya kapag season niya, super dami ng bunga. So, comment below pag gusto mo magpa-deliver ng for free ng mango kapag season na. Okay, comment below para ma-prepare yung niyo. Sabay ganun. Rain, go away. Ganyan ang namin. Clouds. Super napaligiran siya ng ulan, so hindi siya nakikita ang beauty ng sky. Yeah. Ay, kinaganda dito guys kasi meron siyang parang kang nasa forest, kasi meron siyang mga ibon, may mga ibon siya na lumilipad. So kung gusto mo mag-record ng music, mayroon kang sound effect na birds. The birds of paradise, because you are in the paradise valley. Yun. Kaso ulan so hindi ako makalabas para kunan. Andito ako sa taas. Yeah. Okay. Pumapatak ang ulan. So, enjoy the teardrops. Teardrops talaga. Enjoy the rain. Puro green dito guys. Puro green. So, sa mga mahilig ng green, leafy trees, and vegetables, edibles. a kind of big bellids, and not allowed. I don't know. It's allowed. So plants are vegetables here. Our place is a kind of event area, and then most of the time the politics or the meetings is held over here. Nakita na ako, guys. Yun. Nakikita mo ang ayun. Medyo distance kami sa highway sa our gate. Dalawa yung gate namin sa front at saka dito sa kabila. Dito ako sa backside, but actually this is our main door here. Our main door sa downstairs. So I will show you my life. So boring. It's a kind of boring because it's a kind of mountain. But I'm living in the city, yeah. I'm in the city, but it's a kind of mountain place because surrounded by the trees and the big trees, green trees. Nakaka-relieve ng utak sa mga stressful. Punta ka lang sa labas at magmuni-muni. Magmumuni-muni ka lang. Tanggal ang stress mo at isigaw mo, kakanta ka. Ayun, tanggal ang stress mo. Ganun lang ang buhay. Ang buhay ay wither lang, sabi nila. So be nice to each other. Be nice always because life is short. Life is very short, and we don't know what happened next. What happened tomorrow? That's why be nice. Be nice always. And if you want to have true friends, be real also. Be true to yourself. Be honest and be loved. Someone's love you truly if you are true to yourself also. Okay. But if you are not true to yourself and you are not true to others, others not true also to you, daming bird. Kasi sabi nga nila, don't do unto others if you don't want others do unto you. And I agree for that saying because it's true. The more blessings to come if you are nice to others. And they say that give and take, you give and then take it. But the more you give, the more blessings will come to you. Don't ask people return back to you, but give and then God do the rest. Ha ha ha. I'm so madaldal because I'm alone. I'm not working today. That's why I'm doing vlogs. I'm doing here. I'm outside the rooftop. I'm actually in the rooftop. I will not show you because I'm not cute. I'm not cute actually. I'm not really cute. I'm not good looking. Okay, guys. Happy Tuesday afternoon. Okay, that's all. Bye-bye. I love you guys. Again, don't forget to subscribe us if you are new in our channel, and then don't forget to hit the bell and choose the all button so that you are updated to our next video. And please like and share. Thank you so much for watching my board video. I love you guys. See you next time.